kulang umano sa political will ang Marcos Jr. administration pagdating sa issue sa West Philippine Sea. Yan ang hinaing ni former Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio. Sa memo ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, iginiit ni Carpio na dapat magsagawa na ng oil and gas exploration sa Reed Bank at huwag nang pansinin ang pagkontra ng China.
Why cannot we get the gas in the Reed Bank? I think it's just political will, lack of political will. Dahil yung Malaysia, they're able to get the gas in their exclusive economic zone even if it is within the 10-dash line. Sabi ng China, hindi niyo pwede kunin yung gas dyan, amin yan. Pero yung sabi ni Prime Minister Anwar, it's a matter of national survival that we get the gas.
Dagdag ni Carpio, kailangang pigilan ng Marcos Jr. administration kung ano man ang binabalak ng China sa Scarborough Shoal.
Ang chief architect of foreign policy is the president. The commander-in-chief of the armed forces is the president. He controls the executive department. So it has to start with him. They need a triangle of air bases. Meron na sila sa Paracels, meron na sila sa Spratlys. They have a hole on the Scarborough Shoal area. They need a triangle of air bases, air and naval bases, to control the South China Sea.
Ayon pa kay Carpio, hindi pwedeng gawing nature reserve ng China ang Scarborough Shoal dahil ito ay common fishing ground. Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel, sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.